Question 11. Generally, environmental pollution is serious in big cities because they have A. Less dense population, B. Great land mass, C. Many industries, D. High birth rate. The correct answer is C. Many industries. Explanation: big cities have big businesses and more industries. So the more industries means more waste, more smoke, and more chemical emissions. That is why pollution hits urban areas harder than a quiet countryside small town. Question 12. If the electron configurations of elements X and Y are 2:8:2 and 2:8:7 respectively, which of the following statements would be correct about the bond that will be formed by these two elements? A. Each atom of Y combines with two atoms of X to form a compound. B. Each atom of X accepts 2 electrons. C. Each atom of Y accepts 1 electron. D. A covalent compound is formed. The correct answer is C. Each atom of Y accepts 1 electron. Explanation: X has 2:8:2. X has 2 valence electrons. So to form an octet, it will need 6 extra electrons. Y has 2:8:7. Y also has 7 valence electrons. So to form an octet, it will need just one electron to complete its octet. So to balance the charges and to form a neutral compound, one atom of X will have to give 2 electrons to combine with 2 atoms of Y, so that the 2 atoms of Y, each of them will have an octet. 7 plus 1 electron gives you 8, and this one too will form 7 valence electron plus an additional 1 electron from X will give you an octet. Question 13. The particle or rays that is most ionizing is A. Beta, B. Protons, C. Gamma, D. Alpha. The correct answer is D. Alpha. Explanation: alpha particles are like tanks in radiation. They are big, charged, and powerful. They don't go too far, but they knock electrons off anything in their way. That is why they are the most ionizing. Question 14. A gas was collected over water at a pressure of 115 kilopascals and 298 Kelvin. Determine the partial pressure of the gas. Take standard vapor pressure at 298 Kelvin to be equal to 37 kilopascals. A. 152 kilopascals, B. 64 kilopascals, C. 58 kilopascals, D. 78 kilopascals. The correct answer is D. 78 kilopascals. Explanation: when you collect a gas over water, it's not just your gas in the container. Some of that pressure comes from water vapor, so we subtract that one out. So from Dalton's law, total pressure is equal to the pressure from the gas plus water vapor pressure. So we will have the total pressure, which is 115 kilopascals, minus 37, which is the water vapor kilopascals. That will give you the real pressure of the gas, which is 78 kilopascals. Question 15. The mass spectrometer can be used to measure the A. Mass of an element, B. Relative atomic mass of an atom, C. Mass of a neutron in an atom, D. Mass of a proton in an atom. The correct answer is B. The relative atomic mass of an atom. Explanation: the mass spectrometer separates isotopes by mass and shows their relative abundance. So with this information, it calculates the average masses of the isotopes, what we normally call relative atomic masses. So yes, this instrument is your atomic weighing scale.